Hello guys, this is Gabby. Since you liked very much my cleaning keyboard video, I decided to do one about my monitors also. But then I noticed I don't have the products to clean my monitors. Because my monitors are expensive, I don't want just to damage them with normal soap water. That's why I decided to look around for something special for monitors that will make them beautiful and clean. And then I went into one store. It was snowing yesterday, but I still went to the store. Look at that cleaning dedication. And I found this product by the brand Q-Connect called Screen Cleaning Sachets. 20 of them are wet, 20 of them are dry. The dry one you used on a dry screen when you don't want to clean it for basic cleaning. The dry one you use for basic cleaning, and the wet ones you use when you do more complex cleaning of your monitor screen. I noticed that my desk and my monitor screen are extremely dusty, guys, and this gives very bad shadow on my videos. That's why I decided to buy this here. They're alcohol free. As I say, they're 20 wet and 20 dry. They're anti-static and biodegradable. So that means they're vegan. vegan plus. I don't know anything special about them. I think they're extremely economical since they're 40. I bought them for around like €2.50 from the store. They were having also other sets like for cleaning laptops, tablets, and phones, special sets with special gel for laptops and with special small brushes where you can clean between the keyboard caps on the laptop. Basically, very nice, safe on skin. You can use them without gloves, which is safety first. That's very important. You can use for television, computer screen, and other spectacles. Keep out of children. They are not eatable. Okay. And when you clean your screen, be sure to check the instructions of the screen and if they're suitable for it. But I think they're like multiple use for. I don't think there are any precautions about them. Let's open them now. For this, I brought my beautiful scissor. That is meat scissor, but we can use it for this also. They're nicely packaged separately, each one of them, which makes them very convenient to use. Yo, very nice, very beautiful. So for one good cleaning, we use two of them. First the dry one, or first the wet one and then the dry one, and we have the perfect result that I will demonstrate you now. About the contents, as I said, they're non-alcoholic and they contain benzalkonium chloride and some other stuff that I don't exactly understand, and non-ionic and anionic surfactants for better cleaning. Now let's separate the package. There is special separation line here that I didn't exactly use properly, but it's okay. First we start with the wet wipe and let's move to my computer screen. We'll turn it off. We'll need two packages for my Predator and for another Acer monitor. And just so you know, I'll put a little bit music on so you listen to it, because while I clean my Predator, you won't hear the sound. particles on the wet wipe. We used 2 wet wipes and 1 dry one. Afterwards, I'm pretty happy with the final result. You can look at the screen, how beautiful looks when it's clean. I use it on both of my screens. You can notice here the difference from before and now. There is no hidings because the light illuminates in the screen and you can see that it's actually clean. Also about the Predator also, it's very beautifully clean. I can't show you how it looks when it's turned off because the microphone will get turned off, but I'm pretty happy with the result. These wipes are working pretty good and they're worth the price because like there are 40 of them and you just paid for €2. So I like that brand. I recommend you that brand, Q-Connect. I think everybody should have glass cleaning wipes. I'm sure they also work to clean your phone screen. That's why I will try on my phone now. I will clean it also. Okay. With the same wipe I use. And you can notice the phone also became super clean now. We finish with the dry one. I'm sure they are like, as I said, they're for multiple use. You can use them only also to clean your glasses. Everything that has screen and glass on, as you see, it cleans perfectly. 1 second after that, all those particles came back on the screen, but you clean it. And you can notice the difference. So this is the solution when your friends with their fudgy-mudgy fingers came and touched your monitor screen like this thing. That's why Q-Connect invented these beautiful wet wipes that I will continue using, and for sure I will buy new one after those ones finished. It's good to clean your monitor at least once a week so it wouldn't get super dusty. Because of this dust you breathe it when you sit and you game, and it's good to think about your health. And I definitely advise you to buy wet wipes to clean your screen because it's more convenient than just using a sponge or something else that will leak everywhere water. This is very clean job. It's fast. And also if you get a Xiaomi air filter to filter the excessive dust, everything will be perfect in your life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and see you again.